As you look at entrepreneurs, what I've realized in this space is that in the blockchain space, they're very different from kind of more the traditional tech or the tech world, but yet they all have principles in which they're focused on things, which is really interesting. How do you view those different factions?
Yeah, so blockchain is obviously a subset of the wider technology community, but we see quite distinct differences between that subset and the wider community. So if you look at the blockchain community, it's very focused on open source, very focused on first principles, very focused on building distributed teams, for example. Our view is that blending those two together, the blockchain community and the traditional technology community, is where the magic happens. That intersection between the two is really exciting. And that's why at Clause we've focused on building open source software, so building an open source smart legal contract stack, but at the same time offering a for-profit product that can be used by enterprise clients. So marrying the two, sitting at the intersection is really exciting.
Mark Andreessen references software eating the world, and I think about is blockchain eating the world. How do you think about that phrase?
So I think software eating the world is obviously proven to be true.
Yeah.
That goes without saying. I think that blockchain is going to be a fundamental piece of the technology stack going forward. I think we're starting to see the very early signs of that. I think in our industry, for example, it's definitely going to be the future of contracts. It's going to be the future of value exchange. And what I mean by that is the ability for parties to transact without a recognized middleman. I mean recognized in the sense that we do today, and to be able to create more autonomy and more flexibility in those relationships that would otherwise require escrow agents or lawyers to be involved in the way that they are today. So definitely, blockchain is the future of our industry and the future of the technology industry for sure.